everyone. I'm not doing the third palette from the Rose. I just don't like it. It's too Christmassy. It's red and green with like black. I mean, it's just too Christmassy for me. I don't want it. No, it's spring. It's almost spring. I just can't do it. So on my lid, I was looking for my gold jumbo pencil from NYX, and I used to have them in two separate drawers, and then I put them in one drawer, and I can't find it in it's just too many pencils. So I tried cashmere, but it's just like a nude. But anyway, it should do the trick. I'm going to start with that gold. The palette I'm using today is Fit for a Queen. This is very, very metallic-y color. And I do believe this is still available. I believe the set itself, I believe, is still available. They have so many available kits. Sometimes if they have a lot left over, then they start sending it to third-party sellers. Let's try that gorgeous burgundy crimson red color. It's definitely an intense color. Now I know what I did wrong. I forgot to use the transition color. I knew I was like doing something off here. That would have definitely softened that color quite a bit. I think I'm going to do the transition color on my other eye and see if it makes a difference. And then there's that pretty like rosy peachy color right there as the brow bone. It's like a pink with a gold in it. I was gonna say it looks like a rose gold. I guess it is. It's a pink gold. Got to do my brows, and I always clean up after. Not a lot of fallout in this palette. I barely made a mess. Okay, so let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used the pigment that came with it, Gilded Crown, for the highlight. And I used the Redlings, which is gorgeous, for my lips. And then I just used the bronzers, You're Dragging Me Down, as my blush. You can barely see it, but anyway, you can see it. I can see it in the film, in the camera. So yeah, that's what I did with that.